Can distractions be overcome? Well, if we take this statement that no process is ideal in this world into consideration, then definitely we can say that you can be away from the distraction, but you cannot be 100% distraction free. Namaste guys, this is Abhinandan Patidar, first year MBBS student at MGMMC Indore. So today we'll be talking about what are the normal distractions you have. I'm not in any way going to say that you can overcome this distraction by this method. These are the tips for overcoming this distraction. Try it for 7 days and you will be distraction free for always. इसको देखने के बाद कभी टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करोगे. Nothing, no stuff of that kind and that kind I would be sharing. I'll just share that what are the things, normal distractions that you will face, and you will face them. You are doing anything. If you are 100% distraction free, then please let me know the formula in the comment sections below. So let us discuss some of the funny distractions which we all face and which we use to convince ourselves that no, you are not getting distractions, you are just fleshing up your mind. You are not, it is not any kind of distraction. For example, if you are solving LN module, for example, I did my coaching from LN and I used to solve the LN coaching module which contains the questions of NEET level. Now next to me at the bookshelf I also have DC Pandey of IIT JEE. So after being bored of solving the questions of NEET level, I will, for no reasons, I will pick up the book and I will also convince myself नहीं कि यार LN के लिए थोड़े से हाई लेवल के क्वेश्चंस भी तो लगाने की ज़रूरत है कि नीट के थोड़ी पढ़ेंगे. I know that it is distraction, but then also I am convincing myself कि नहीं, it is not the distractions, you are just solving high level questions, इसमें कोई बुराई तो है नहीं. So this is the funny kind of distractions in which we are convincing ourselves that no, it's not distractions. So अगर आप नीट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, you are solving easy, you have to solve easy level question, फिर भी आप कूद पड़ो HCV और DC पांडे ले ली, knowing that AIMS is not, we are not to give any sort of examinations, be it AIMS, JIPMER, anything. Knowing that also we are doing DC Pandey and all that stuff. So it is not less than any distraction. Next funny thing which I always had gone through this distraction, that for no reasons I'll feel hungry. I am studying biomorphology. I have started mugging up the examples. After mugging up to an extent, I will just feel hungry. So because I usually didn't carry any eatable near my desk or in my room because it always distracted me, but not keeping them was a big distraction. Then I thought okay, नीचे जाके पार्ले जी खा के तो आ ही जाता हूँ. So this is also distraction. बिना किसी काम के आपको भूख लग रही है. So these are the funny distractions in which we convince ourselves that no, we are not getting distractions, but actually we are. So this was a fun part. But what are the major distractions? For example, you are having actually I didn't use any of Instagram, any of the social messaging, so social media platform I didn't use. So notifications were not a distraction for me, as many of you might have. So मेरे को नोटिफिकेशन का कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं था, बस फिर भी मेरा जियो फ़ोन पड़ा रहता था साइड में, तो वो भी बहुत बार डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर लेता था. आई थॉट दैट आई वुड जस्ट वॉच एनी ऑफ द एक सिंगल वीडियो देख लूँगा कोई सी भी, बट इट एंडेड अप many a times it ended up in wasting whole of the day. So these are the distractions. So now we have got that okay, I am getting distracted and I am not able to focus on my studies, or okay, my parents sent me quota or any of the coaching places, or I am at my home, but everyone is expecting that I should do an extreme level of hard work, but what I am doing, I'm just getting distracted, I am watching mobile, and this guilt is followed by any of the distractions which we face. So it would be followed by watching a video at YouTube. आग लगा दूंगा, एक बार देख लो, इसके बाद कभी टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करोगे, and all this stuff. Usually at LN we used to have that motivational session. They were highly motivating. It was and the prize distribution ceremony to the toppers, and it also had a blend of musics which gave an extreme level of energy. But it also ended up in 7 days, and any of the motivation video which you're watching on YouTube is again a distraction, because you also know that you are just distracted. Anything which you find that it's not a distraction, it's for the betterment of your concentration in your studies itself a distraction, because you know that after watching any video or anything you won't be able to study every motivation is for 1, 2, 3 or 5 or 7 days. You have to take the distraction, but you have to just manage. You have to manage distraction. You do not have to avoid the distractions. You will face every kind of distraction. आप कितना भी सोच लो कि लास्ट मंथ तक तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा, या अगर पहले साल में होते तो जनरली वी थिंक दैट इन नेक्स्ट ईयर आई विल नेवर डू दिस, आई विल नेवर गेट डिस्ट्रैक्शन, आई जस्ट वॉच वन भुवन बाम वीडियो दिस ईयर ओनली, आई विल वॉच भुवन बाम वीडियो. ओके, प्रोमेथियस देखनी है तो आई विल वॉच प्रोमेथियस. आई विल वॉच एनी मूवी इन द फर्स्ट ईयर इन 11th क्लास ओनली. 12th में तो कुछ भी नहीं करूँगा. एंड बिफोर 4 to 5 months ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन आई विल नॉट do anything. But to be honest, the time during which I was distracted the most were this last few months. So at last I would just say that what we call distraction I faced till the last month of my preparation, and after the examination I found out that it was very normal and my score was also very good. I thought that because of this distraction, and we normally feel that okay, we just go back to the things that this distraction I faced, and because of this I might get lower marks. But it's natural, and distractions are a part of everyone's in every aspirant's life, so it is very normal. But the thing you need to you should remember, or which is worth remembering, is you never break your continuity because of this distraction, and never feel that I was distracted this time, so I won't be able to do well in the exams. Every one of you will face, I faced, and who gave before me also faced. So at last I would just say that this distraction, every one of us faces this at one time or the another. I also faced these distractions till the end last month of my NEET preparation, and what I believe after giving the examination, that these distractions are very normal, and every one of you will face. And without distraction, if you are giving examination, and without struggles, without these distractions, without the story of how you overcame these distractions, your journey would not be a story worthy journey. So have these distractions, overcome these distractions, or be along with these distractions. So that's all. These are very, very, very normal.